Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about stand mixers. They are an incredible tool you can have in your kitchen to mix the dough, pastry, cake mix, eggs, and cream. It consists of three weapons, mainly dough hook, whipper, and the beater. Having reliable and powerful motors, they are indeed essential for mixing bread doughs and pastry if you love cake making. In this video, we are breaking down the 7 best stand mixers on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We are taking a look at products in all price ranges, so whether you are looking for an excellent value mixer or the ultimate best one, we have an option for you. If you're interested in finding out which of these is the best one for you, stay tuned. And as always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are in the description below. For the most up-to-date information and updated prices, make sure to check the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end and don't miss anything. Starting off the list with KitchenAid KSM8990NP, our pick for the best large capacity. This giant stand mixer is designed for commercial use, but it's still feasible for home use to those who often cook or bake large quantities for the family or big gatherings. It can hold up to 14 cups of flour, and the motor is the most powerful and quietest in the KitchenAid line, so it can knead tough doughs without overheating. It has 10 speeds, from a slow mix to a quick whip with the traditional KitchenAid slide control. This model also has a bowl lift design, which means the bowl moves up and down while the mixer head, which contains the motor, remains in place. Although this is a commercial machine, the attachment hub can power all the KitchenAid standard attachments. It comes in a smaller color range than the Artisan line, but anyone who opts for this model is probably more focused on size and power than perfectly matching their mixer to their wall paint. Next we have KitchenAid KSM3311XAQ, our pick for best for small spaces. This small mixer from KitchenAid is 25% lighter and has a 20% smaller footprint than the company's classic mixer. Artisan Mini Series powers a 250-watt motor and also has hob attachment, meaning that it's compatible with accessories like the pasta roller, grater, spiralizer, and more. The beaters and bowls are not interchangeable with other models, however. Its tilt-head design makes it easy to access the bowl or change beaters, and the head locks in place to make sure the mixers keep in close contact with the bowl for even mixing. It also has 10 mixing speeds. Artisan Mini further has a 3.5 quart bowl, so that it won't hold as much as the full-size models, but it's still excellent for dozens of cookies at a time. Artisan Mini includes a coated flat beater, coated dough hook, and a wire whip, and comes in 10 different colors to match your kitchen style. Moving forward we have Kenmore Elite 417602, our pick for best design. If using a stand mixer to bake gives you nightmares of flour everywhere, you'll want to take a look at this less mess design from Kenmore. Its patented 4-in top design means you can add in ingredients without fear of splatters and without having to turn the mixer off. Plus, there's a 360-degree splash guard and slow start option for even more mess protection. The 5-quart glass mixing bowl, while less durable than its stainless steel counterparts, looks sleek and features a convenient LED light that allows you to see your ingredients while spinning. This unique design doesn't mean you sacrifice power either. Its 500-watt motor and 10 speeds can handle almost any task you throw at it. The stand mixer comes with a variety of attachments for more convenience as well. It has wire whisk, dough hook, flat beater, pouring shield funnel, egg separator, grater, splash guard, mixing bowl lid for more accessible storage, and also comes with a recipe book. Up next we have KitchenAid KSM150PSPT Artisan Series 5 quart, our pick for best overall. Not too big, not too small, this 10-speed mixer can knead a double batch of cookie dough and mix small amounts just as quickly. No matter what the task, this machine will prove its worth. It might not have all the integrated bells and whistles of some of our other picks, but what the KitchenAid lacks in technology makes up for its attachments and market ubiquity. When someone says they have a stand mixer, they're most likely talking about KitchenAid, and probably even this model. There are at least 15 different attachments for this machine, including a grater, grain mill, juicer, pasta maker, spiralizer, ravioli press, ice cream maker, and more. Since the brand is so famous, besides official KitchenAid branded attachments, you can also find third-party attachments and accessories. It also comes in a wide variety of colors to match or accent your kitchen decor, and the tilt head makes it easy to switch from paddle to dough hook, add ingredients, or scrape the bowl. This mixture further has a 5-quart container and comes with a flat beater, a dough hook, wire whisk, and a pouring shield. Next product on our list is Hamilton Beach, our pick for the best budget. Hamilton Beach has the same planetary mixing action as popular high-end mixers at a budget price, so your cake batters will be smooth and your whipped cream will be fluffy. There are 6 speeds plus a particular fold setting for gentle mixing. Its 3.5-quart bowl is large enough for most baking needs, and the non-slip feet keep the machine stable as it works. The mixer head tilts up for easy access to the bowl and locks down in use, so it won't bounce when mixing thick batters and doughs. This mixer is powered by a 300-watt motor and includes a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater for versatility. It is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and can handle most tasks well. But we wouldn't recommend it for bread dough. It's an excellent mixer for cooks and bakers with more modest needs. Next we have AKSM stand mixer, our pick for best for beginners. The stand mixer has the functions you need at a price that's more affordable than the high-end models. Instead of a single dough hook, it has double dough hooks to handle your bread dough with ease. AKSM stand mixer has 6 speeds, a 5-quart bowl, a whisk attachment, a beater attachment, and a splash guard. The dish also has a handle that makes it easy to attach and remove, and easy to empty. Its tilt head design makes it easy to access the container, while the suction cup feet make sure the mixer stays in place on the counter. The bowl and wire whip are dishwasher safe, but other attachments should be washed by hand. While this can do pretty much everything a more expensive mixer can, it's a bit louder in operation. It also can handle bread dough and pasta dough. The machine's motor might slow down at times, but not enough to worry. And finally we have Ankarsrum Original 6230, our pick for best high-end. If you're willing to splurge on a professional grade stand mixer, this machine from Ankarsrum has it all in terms of build, power, and versatility. Its 600-watt motor will power through the toughest of bread and pasta dough, and its 7-liter stainless steel bowl can handle all your large batches. In fact, it fits up to 21 cups of flour. In terms of features, there's a 12-minute timer so you can walk away. At the same time, it works with an electric speed sensor that automatically adjusts the motor torque depending on your mixing, and a speed dial that allows you to move from 45 to 130 RPM effortlessly. If you want to make this your everything-in-one appliance, turn the mixer on its side and purchase separate attachments. And you'll also have a meat grinder, blender, veggie slicer, grater, strainer, cookie press, and more. This Swedish-made machine is built to last with chrome and steel, and it comes in a variety of colors. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.